Do you want to save money on everything you buy? Welcome to the ultimate guide to saving money on everything. This video will arm you with valuable tips and tricks to help you master the art of saving. First up, shopping. You might not realize it, but you can pocket a significant amount of money by opting for generic or store brand products. These often match the quality of their expensive counterparts, but at a fraction of the price. It's a savvy way to shop. Moving on to meal planning. This is a strategy that not only saves you time but also money. Create a shopping list, adhere to it, and you can sidestep those impulsive purchases that add up and reduce food waste in the process. Then we have utilities. Small changes here can lead to big savings. Switch off lights, unplug electronics when not in use, opt for energy-efficient light bulbs, and repair any leaky faucets. These simple acts can lead to substantial reductions on your monthly bills. Now, if you're a fan of dining out, why not switch it up and dine in more often? Cooking meals at home is not only healthier, but it's also much kinder to your wallet. Plus, it's an opportunity to try out new recipes and impress your friends and family. Another saving strategy involves coupons and discounts. Before you part with your money, spend a little time researching online or leafing through local papers for coupons. You might be surprised at how much you can save. Finally, get into the habit of setting a monthly budget and tracking your expenses. This will help you identify where you can trim costs and save more. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to saving money on everything. May these tips serve you well on your saving journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more money-saving tips and tricks. Here's to your happy savings.